Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the playlist on computer vision. The last few lectures on OpenCV, we have read the concepts about how to open an image, like concepts about masking, bitwise operation, then like different filters, and then we also read about canny edge detection and contours as well. Today, we'll be doing a mini project using OpenCV in which we will be detecting the characters on the number plate of the vehicle. So all the concepts that we have previously learned up till now will actually be used in this project, and this will serve as a good hands-on revision for all of the concepts that you have actually learned. Uh, what we have to do is like I will tell you like how this project actually works in real life scenario. Let's suppose like you're getting late and there is a red light signal ahead of you, and there is no traffic policeman or no policeman standing over the red light. Now you think, okay, if there is no one standing over there, I might just jump this red light, and maybe no one will actually catch me and I will reach my place without actually getting late. But what happens is when you reach your home in the evening, you see the fine has actually come to your home for breaking the red light. So how does actually like how if there was no traffic policeman or policeman was standing over there, so exactly how did the fine came to your home? So the answer, it's actually what happened was that there was a camera fitted over the red light pole or the traffic signal, in which captured the images of your license plate, the car as well as the license plate, and based upon the characters that are written on the license plate, it actually extracted all the details out from it and gave you the fine. So it's not a 100% foolproof method. There are errors in this method, like errors actually happen, and they happen in quite a few scenarios, but like we are not making our industry level project. This is just for our practice, and we can actually learn the concepts from it. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started on this. What I will do is I will go up and fire up my Jupyter notebook. So I will import the required libraries, which is NumPy and OpenCV. So import NumPy as np and import CV2. So what we'll be doing over here is that first we have to find out the position of the number plate. And now how can we actually find out the position of the number plate? We can actually do that using edge detection followed by contour detection. Yes, we could also have used something like we could have extracted white portions from the image and then putting up a mask on it and then cropping it out. But then if there is a white car and a white number plate, things will actually not work the way we actually want it to. Therefore, we have to like we will actually discard this approach and use the previous one as I have discussed. Then once that is received, I mean the crop number plate is received, we can actually use an OCR to detect the digits. Like we will come to this like when we actually reach there, but before that let us read the image first. So I will store the image in a variable which is known as cv2.imread mini.jpg, and I will also store it in another variable which is known as nimg, because I don't want to like manipulate my original image. I mean, this is just a copy of the image. So go here and copy this over here. And if you want to see how our image looks like, so it's cv2.imread. First, we have to give the name of the window, which I will give as window itself. And then like I will just pass an img, then cv2.wait key 0, and then cv2 dot destroy all windows, something like this. And it tells me only one scalar can actually be passed. Let me see if uh, this is perfectly working fine or not by just putting up img, and yes, it's there. And cv, okay, it should be not cv2.imread, it should be cv2.im show. So just go ahead and run this. So this is what our image actually is, and we'll be actually extracting out this number plate from the image. But before doing any manipulations, it's always a better idea to actually convert this image into a grayscale image. So what I will do is I will convert this image into a grayscale image using the cv2.convertcolor function. I hope you're absolutely familiar with now. So this would be nimg comma cv2 dot color bgr, which is a by default format in OpenCV, to gray. So once this is done, we can actually point out the edges. Like we can actually have the edges from the car now, edges from the car being detected. So I hope you are comfortable with the edge detection method as well. So I will store this in a variable known as review dot okay. Before actually detecting the edge, what I will do is actually I will use a bilateral filter over here to reduce the noise over it. So as you I know, like, I told you about the concepts of bilateral filtering, which actually reduces noise and smoothens the image. So I will use NIMG is equal to CV2 dot bilateral filter, and then I will pass in NIMG, and then I need to pass in three values as I told you. So these three values you can experiment by yourself. However, I'm using the values as 10, 15, and 15, which will actually reduce a lot of noise for me. So I will go ahead and run this piece of code. And now what I will be required to do is I am required to extract out edges. So once edges are extracted, then using that edges I can actually find out the contours, and using the contours I can find out the shapes, and using the shape I can find out the position of the number plate. So I will go ahead and crop the edges, I mean detect the edges over here, and I will use the canny detection method. So canny edge cv2 dot, I guess the name of the method is canny edge, but I have to see why it's not coming. Okay, it's only cv2.canny, not canny edge. So cv2.canny, and then what I will have to do is I will have to pass my image NIMG, and then I would have to pass in the threshold values. So let's say the threshold values I pass are from 50 to 200, as this will like ignore, I mean these will actually find out a lot of edges over here. So once I have detected the edges, now what I'm required to do is I will actually print out the the car over here and let you see what the edges actually is, like how the edges actually look like. So I will go ahead and copy this piece of code over here and paste it over here, and then it should be actually edges over here, and I will print this out now. So this is how like the edges have been detected. As you can see, like where there were actually noises, the noise has been cleared and the edges have been detected. So now once the edges has been detected, our main aim is to now actually find out this contour over here. We'll come to this in the next lecture, but I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and like you really learned something interesting and important from it. See you in the next one. Thank you.